Alright, made a video a week ago about this Suzuki we picked up for 50 bucks. It is in fact an 86. I think I said it was an 85 last time, but we're gonna dig into it and see what we can find. So let's go ahead and get these plastics off and we'll see what we got. Alright, we'll go ahead and test compression on this. See what we got. We know we got spark, so let's test compression. And that's pretty much nothing. 4 psi. That's not gonna run. So let's take these caps off here and see if the valves are moving. Alright, I'm gonna pull it over. Okay, so that one's intake's going up and down. Let's check the exhaust. And there's no O-ring. There's supposed to be an O-ring on this. Go ahead and pull it over slow. Yep, so that's moving. Alright, I think we're at this point. Let's check the, we'll have to check the timing. So I'll probably take this rocker cover off, and I'm assuming the timing mark is behind this cover here, so we'll go ahead and get that off. Alright, got the rocker cover off. And the good news is that looks pretty good. There was one broken bolt right here, but those rocker pads look really nice. And for timing, so we got this lined up here, and then this line right here should be even with this head, and that is what it's supposed to be. And this cam looks really nice shape. So I think the next step is we'll get this head off and see what's going on. Oh, looks like there's a chunk of something in there. Alright, let's get this head off. There's some sort of piece of broken drill in here. Right there. Check this out. They probably tried to drill out that broken bolt, so that was just laying in there. That's always good. Alright, so there's our head. Thinking maybe that valve might be bent. Yeah, and actually I can see through the intake there. I can see light, so I think this valve might be kind of trash. Here, let me Let me get a light and I'll see if I can shine that in there. I'm gonna look through the intake. All right, got a flashlight. Let's shine it through the bottom of this intake valve and we'll see. Yeah, you can see light in there through the intake. So that would be our answer for the, yeah, look at that. That would be the answer for the low compression. Right there. Okay, so let's see if we can get this intake valve out and see what's going on with that. All right, got the valve out and it's got some bendage to it. I don't know if you can see it here. See that? It's not, obviously it's not straight. I mean, that's got some pretty good bend to it. I don't know. Pretty sure it's not supposed to be like that. Yeah. So, I'll have to get a new valve. And I'll probably just order an exhaust valve too. And I got a gasket kit, so it has new valve seals here too. So I'll get a chance to put those on. And still have to get this broken piece out of here for that broken bolt. So, I'll show you this cylinder real quick. So cylinder, try not to move this too much, but the cylinder actually looks really nice. The top of the piston, oh yeah, you can see where the intake valve hit right here. It's shiny on top of the piston. Huh. Interesting. Okay, so that's where we're at. So we'll have to shut the video down here and get some parts on order. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.